This is one of my party tricks.
It's already started, yeah, Tanya.
Why don't you start introducing yourself?
Alright, so hi everyone. My name is Aman Sharma. I'm a content writer here at Moretasks.
So, what sort of duties do you have at work?
Well, I come here, I switch on my laptop, and I get to writing.
My day-to-day responsibilities include overseeing the content for the travel team, writing, proofreading and editing content.
I write articles and fun articles.
It can be anything: a thought, an idea, an article, a copy.
I basically do whatever comes my way.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I am a literate person who loves to read and write.
What genre of books do you?
I read everything from facts to fiction. If I like the writer, I will probably read all of his works.
You're one of your favorite writers?
Dharamveer Bharti.
Wow, okay. That's a good one.
I loved his Gunaho Ke Devta.
Fond of Jane Austen.
Margaret Atwood.
Shouldn't Shelter. Very big Harry Potter fan, as you can see on my shirt.
That's a secret.
I haven't read this anywhere. Like, is this a hard and fast rule or something like this? It's just I believe this is the path which I should follow while writing a particular content.
That's
So-
actually very interesting answer.
So I first go for the keywords, and then I go for the titles. After defining the title, I go for the subheadings, like the structuring of the particular article, you can say, and then I go for the flow. That's it. It's very simple.
It's not about how good you are in the language or how good your grammar is. If you are thinking of starting off, you must be someone who is ready to create something new every day.
My pro tip is actually a life pro tip, so you should listen when people talk. It makes them feel special.
So do you think you're a good listener?
No, I'm not, but I'm trying to.
Write casually and edit brutally.
Once you start writing your article, I think it's important to structure your article into H1s, H2s and all. And then you can like go on filling these H1s and H2 with a good content, and you can weave it through like that.
Content, the pro tip is, I think this is the same for every content writer, extensive research.
What do you mean by extensive research?
Like diving deep into the topic that you are writing on, searching every nook and cranny to get the answers, to provide an informative content that answers all the queries that the user would want to know. Do your research. Research is very, very important in content writing, and I think every writer will say that. And apart from that, I would also say find your writing style. Writing style is very important, and it differs content writers. Okay, so if one writer is writing very conversational and you're writing very to the point, but different people will like different styles, and I think you should just find your style.
Even if it's your first job, don't get scared. I mean, you are going to make mistakes as a beginner, because I also made mistakes. But if you have good teammates, you have a good manager, you can make through it.
If you're starting content writing in Japanese, you should be thorough with all your kanjis, because when you start reading on the internet, I mean reading in the book and reading on the internet is very different. And when you start reading on the internet, there are very different things that you will come across. Like, you need to understand the meaning of kanji to understand a piece of work. If you don't understand the meaning of that kanji, you cannot understand that word.
Content has got tremendous opportunities in today's time frame, but yes, when you are adopting it as a profession for yourself, my advice would be that you should be very sure, and you should first explore that what kind of content you are looking up for and what exactly is your style of writing. That will help you a lot.
As a writer, I think it is very normal for you to judge what you're writing, and you might end up hating everything that you write at the end of the day. So I would say that just write what you feel
and write it from your heart, and at the end if you feel like you want to edit something, then you should, but you shouldn't judge yourself while writing.
Most important thing would be to learn how to rewrite, essentially, because let's be honest, you're not gonna like create lines or create things out of the top of your head. So, and you're gonna use a lot of research, the research that has been conducted on whatever topic you're writing on before. So I mean, if you know how to rewrite, and I think that would be like a great help in churning out articles at a faster pace.
They should basically know their audience for whom they're writing, and how they can play with words around them.
The breaks and hot chocolate.
Food.
Hot chocolate is really nice, so yes.
Hot chocolate.
It's Saturday, I'm sure something fun will be happening in the evening. We'll be getting some snacks, I think. And everyone here talks to everybody. There is no hierarchy per se here, so it feels good. You will not be able to distinguish between an intern and a permanent employee, which I think is a great thing.
Yes, why not?
Why not?
Because we need people.
Oh, why not? We need people, as Ayush mentioned. We actually do. So please come here, learn new things, help us learn new things. We'll create something wonderful together.